Crypto roller coaster, buckle up. The crypto market is like a roller coaster, full of unexpected twists and turns. It has wild ups and downs that can leave you breathless. Recently, it's been a wild ride with prices swinging dramatically. Bitcoin, the biggest cryptocurrency, has been swinging up and down, making headlines. Ethereum, the second biggest, is also on a similar ride with its own set of dramatic price changes. This volatility is making investors nervous as they try to predict the next move. Is this the start of a massive breakout or just another false alarm? Or are we heading for a scary crash? The answer is unclear, nobody knows for sure, and that uncertainty is part of the thrill. One day, Bitcoin is up 10%, bringing joy to investors. The next day it's down 5%, causing panic and concern. Ethereum is just as unpredictable, with its own set of highs and lows. This volatility is exciting for some traders, who thrive on the chaos. They see opportunities to make quick profits and capitalize on the market's movements, but it's terrifying for others, who fear the potential for significant losses. They worry about losing their hard-earned money and the impact it could have on their lives. One thing is certain, the crypto market is never boring and it keeps everyone on their toes. Bitcoin and Ethereum, the two titans of the cryptocurrency world, are at a crossroads. To the moon or back to earth? Analysts are divided on their future trajectories. Some believe Bitcoin is about to skyrocket, reaching unprecedented heights. They point to its limited supply and growing adoption as key factors driving its potential surge. Some enthusiasts even predict Bitcoin could reach $100,000 or even $1 million per coin. However, others remain more cautious. They warn of Bitcoin's notorious volatility and the looming potential for stringent regulation. These skeptics think a significant correction is inevitable and the bubble might burst. Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency, is facing similar mixed predictions. Some see its smart contract functionality as revolutionary, potentially transforming various industries. They believe Ethereum will power the future of finance and the internet, becoming the backbone of decentralized applications. Others worry about Ethereum's scalability issues and the fierce competition from other emerging blockchains. These concerns lead some to predict a potential price drop for Ethereum as well. The truth is, nobody knows for sure what the future holds for these digital assets. The future of Bitcoin and Ethereum remains uncertain, shrouded in both promise and peril. But one thing is for sure, it will be an exciting ride full of twists and turns as we watch these cryptocurrencies evolve. Whales in the water, big players, big waves. In the vast ocean of the financial markets, there are a few key players who can create massive ripples with their actions. Whale wallets are making big moves. These wallets hold massive amounts of Bitcoin and Ethereum. Their transactions can significantly impact the market. When they buy or sell, it creates waves in the market. These waves can be so powerful that they influence the prices of cryptocurrencies, causing them to rise or fall dramatically. Recently, some whale wallets have been selling Bitcoin. This has led to noticeable declines in Bitcoin's price, catching the attention of many investors. This has sparked fear among smaller investors. They worry that the whales might know something ominous about the market's future. Is this a sign that the whales know something we don't? Or are they simply taking profits after a long bull run? It's possible. Whales have more information and resources than the average investor. They have access to advanced analytics and insider information that can give them an edge. They may be reacting to news or trends that we're not aware of. Their actions can sometimes be a precursor to larger market movements. However, it's also possible that these sales are just normal market activity. Not every move by a whale signals a major shift. Whales need to take profits sometimes, just like everyone else. They might be reallocating their assets or simply cashing out after a profitable period. It's important to remember that whale movements don't always predict the market's direction. While they can influence prices, the market is driven by a multitude of factors. Governments around the world are finally taking notice of cryptocurrencies. They're starting to introduce regulations. Some countries like El Salvador have embraced Bitcoin. They've made it legal tender. Other countries like China have cracked down on crypto. They've banned trading and mining. The United States is somewhere in between. The government is still figuring out how to regulate crypto. New regulations could have a big impact on the market. Clear regulations could bring stability and attract institutional investors. This could lead to a price surge. On the other hand, strict regulations could stifle innovation and drive investors away. This could cause a price crash. The future of crypto depends on how governments decide to regulate it. The crypto market is at a crossroads. Will it break out to new all-time highs, or will it crash and burn? Nobody knows for sure. The market is volatile and unpredictable, but one thing is certain: cryptocurrencies are here to stay. They represent a fundamental shift in how we think about money and finance. The next few months will be crucial for the future of crypto. Will you be along for the ride?